Here's a great deal on a 2010 Ford F-150. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this two-door truck excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and cruise control. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.